Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I know it has been a while since I upload any video. So I've been busy all this while, but I'll start bringing out videos and tutorials for you. So pretty quick, I've been getting this particular questions from beginner every time, both on Facebook, Twitter, and other platforms. So, and I wrote this article around last year on the Ashnode. So, I just want to make a video on the article I wrote around last year. So, the name of the article here is create a Python Django project the right way. So, the reason why I wrote the article was because of the questions I was getting from beginners, and I usually want to like reference them to this article. Yeah, so I love referencing them to the article just to like make things easier for them. And now I just want to give a quick walkthrough on what the article is actually talking about. Yeah. So if you're part of them and you want to like know the right way of creating your Django project, you can actually come and read it. I'll also drop the link down in the description so you can check it out. Yeah, the first step is to like create your virtual environment. Yeah, I know a lot of beginners don't actually know what like a virtual environment is, and I actually wrote the meaning here. So I said a virtual environment is a Python environment where packages can be installed, right? And specifically for a project, and those packages can only be accessed within the project. So yeah, those packages can only be accessed within the project. So you have to like when you open the project, you have to activate the virtual environment and use the packages you installed. So it's just like a package folder storage for like packages. Yeah, so that's the first step, creating a virtual environment, and you activate the virtual environment here. So if you're using PowerShell or CMD, so this is how you're going to do it. But on Linux, you use env slash bin, then slash activate. Yeah, I think dot bat at the end. And that's the first one. You have to create your folder. Sorry, you have to create your folder. In the folder, create your virtual environment, and after creating your virtual environment, activate your virtual environment. Yeah. So after activating your virtual environment, you need to install Django. So after you have installed Django. Yeah, I think the latest version is 4.0.55. Yeah. So yeah, I don't know. And installing after installing Django, you just need to create your project. So the command to create your project is Django dash admin start project to do, then a period. So the reason why I added the period was that when you create the project, the manage or pi file will be in the folder. You don't actually need to change directory into this to do again. So it will just be in your the pro to do. It will just be in the project folder actually. Yeah. And yeah, that's it. Then after that, you need to like create your registry, your app. Just like I said, if you use the period, you are not to cd into the to do. But if you eventually do not use the period, you need to like change directory into this to do to be able to use the manage of pi. So to create your app, you need to like use the Python, yeah, Python manage your pi start app, then the name of like your app that you want. Yeah, after doing that, you can just run your server. Yeah, once you run your server, this is exactly what you're going to get. So if you let me see if I can like open, I don't know. Yeah, I'm not sure. Okay, open in a new page. I don't know. So it's not expanding. Yeah, you can just check it out. So you get actually this what is in this image once you run your server. Yeah, so I hope this also like helps. I just felt like doing it just like a review or so. And also if you are running into any issue, you can reach out to me on Twitter at Adeboye on you can also reach out to me on LinkedIn and other platforms. So check my about page. You're going to see my social media accounts there. Yeah, thank you for watching and bye bye. Expect more tutorials from me and more explanatory, so some review videos and others. Thank you for watching.